Hi guys, welcome back to Marigold Lifestyle Vlogs. I hope you're doing well. Today the weather is really nice here in London. I'm on the way to the supermarket and the butcher's. When I get back home, I'll be setting a barbecue pan to enjoy this lovely weather. So I'll see you guys when I get back home. And when I set up the grill, I'm ready to get the pan going. Guys, I'm in the supermarket now.
No, I'm just going to do one thing. Yeah. But it's still at the time. I only got half an hour.
Hey, can I have this? And 20 pound in mutton. 20 pound in mutton, the leg piece. Need a piece of pumpkin as well.
Mystery nu dică, n-a cu peciune, meciune.
Can I add this as well?
Box, so this is $14.99.
Yeah, so yeah, that's it. I'm on my way back home and I can't wait to light up the barbecue pan. It's a very nice day, it's very hot. Yeah.
Nice weather for barbecue.
Yes, perfect weather for barbecue. 31 degrees today. Yeah, very nice weather. Okay guys, it's time to get the ball rolling now. I'm gonna light up the pan and get the fire going. And I already got the chicken on the inside well seasoned and marinated. And I'm gonna have some burgers on the side with that as well for the kids, with some corn as well. Can't go wrong guys with a little bit of roast corn. Trust me. Let's get the ball rolling. Guys, now that I got the fire light, I'm just gonna let it all burn till the coals become all red. When it becomes nice and red now, I'll put the chicken on. So let that keep burning guys. It's nice and red. So here's what I'm putting on the grill today. I got some burgers, some chicken wings, and some plantain and corn to roast. The wings are well marinated, trust me. Let's go. Alright guys, now that the fire is ready, it's time to put the chicken on. Guys, I'm adding a little bit more coals in there. Keep that fire going. Guys, now I'm just playing the waiting game. Everything's coming together nicely. The chicken is almost finished. I'm gonna put the corn on the grill in a minute. And the burgers. Okay guys, as you can see the burgers on the grill now, and the corn is there roasting as well. Guys, it's time to put the chicken to the test. Absolutely amazing. Very nice. Nice and soft. I'm happy with that. Guys, that chicken wing ensemble was absolutely amazing. I can't wait for everything to finish, man. The burgers are still here on the grill. The corn is still here as well. Let's see if Guys, today was an absolutely amazing day to barbecue. I done some jerk wings, I done some burgers, I done some roast corn and some roast plantain. Guys, I'm gonna show you guys the final plate, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe. There we go guys, that's the final plate. I did some roast corn, some plantain, I did some burgers, and I did some jerk wings as well. Well, it's time for me to dig in now. It's time for me to sink my teeth into that burger, guys.